Of matter paragraph. What is the emphasis of matter? Something you going to emphasize in the audit report. You are not going to qualify the report. You are going to give an unqualified audit report. So what happened? You want to say something that is there in the audit report. You did the audit. To the users, you should emphasize that it's very important. You should see if they have given everything. So there is some liability they have mentioned. They have contingent liability they have mentioned. There is some tax liability they have mentioned the liability. But even though they mentioned in the financial statements, you are not going to get a deep understanding what is there. So I'm stating so this is the problem that you the users just to go through it. That is the emphasis. This paragraph include auditor's report that refers to the matter appropriately presented or disclosed in the financial statement. That is auditor's judgment if is there such an importance that is fundamental to the user's understanding of the financial statement. Even though sometimes the books may look like a superb and it's cooked book, you can't see it's a makeup book. But fortunately, when you go through some liabilities and other current assets, you may not see so. Mostly, you are focusing on liability, other current liability, current liability, non-current liability. These are main things. So, some contingent liability. This may arise, but they may not. You full focus in the disclosures in the notes to accounts. So that may create something to the user. They may think, okay, it's normal liability. So give emphasis of the matter. This liability on this para. This is this kind of liability. So it is pending with the company as they have acknowledged. You should also note this. That is a point of thing emphasis you are giving to the users.